Hello, welcome friends. Myself, Dr. K.D. Mori, working as assistant professor in the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy Science at Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. Today we are discussing about the introduction of the course of HGS 353. The credit for the course is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 credit for theory and 1 credit for practical. This is the fifth sem course. The title of this course is Technology of Milk and Milk Products. So let us see the syllabus, particularly practical syllabus of this course. In that syllabus, total number of practical is 16. So let us see one by one. The sampling of milk and milk products. This is our first practical. Then second is study of platform test. Then third one, determination of the fat by Gerber methods. The next one, the determination of solid not fat. Then total solid and specific gravity of milk. Then next practical is determination of acidity of milk. Next practical, determination of adulteration in milk and milk products. Then next practical is the standardization of milk by Pearson method. Then next practical is study of cream separator and separation of cream. The next practical, the practical number 7 to practical number 14, all this manufacturing of different milk and milk products practical is there. In that particularly practical number 7 is the preparation of flavored and chocolate milk. Then next practically the preparation of khawa, basundi and rabri. The next practical is the preparation of paneer, channa and rasagolla. Then next practical is the preparation of dahi, chaka and shrikhand. Next practical is preparation of butter. The next practical is preparation of ghee. Then next practical is preparation of ice cream and kulfi. Then next practical is preparation of peda and gulab jamun. Then next practical is study of cleaning and sanitization of dairy equipments. And the last one is the visit to milk processing plant. These are the all the 16 practicals in our course Technology of Milk and Milk Products. Course number is HDS 353. So let us see one by one. The first practical is the sampling of milk and milk products. In that particularly, whenever the milk receive in the milk chilling center, that time firstly we done the sampling of milk by the plunger, then tippler, then sampling bottle. The capacity is 50 ml, 100 ml, 150 ml. This is a sampling bottle. Then in particularly the practical number 2, study of different platform test. Platform test is very essential for the acceptance and rejection of milk. Means when the milk is abnormal, that milk is not fit for processing as well as pasteurization of milk. Means this abnormal milk is not suitable for unfit for the human consumption. So that this milk is reject from the platform test. Then the various test in the platform test. The first one is the COB test, clot on boiling test. The second one is the alcohol test. The next one is the research urine test. Then 10-minute MBRT test, methylene blue indicator test, methylene blue reduction test. Then these are the different platform test is required for the milk. Then next one is the determination of fat by Gerber method. Determination of fat present in milk is determined by Gerber method. Gerber is nothing but the Zurich scientist, and this method is particularly uh, used for the determination of fat in milk with the help of butyrometer. Then material required the S2SO4 concentrated S2SO4, then 10 ml 1 ml amyl alcohol, then 10 ml milk. These are the different material is required for the determination of fat. As well, another material is the guiding key, then rubber stopper and centrifugal machine. Then next one is the determination of total SNF, then total solid and specific gravity of milk. In SNF contain the SNF determination of SNF by the formulae, then determination of total solid also by formulae method as well as the by experiment method. In that particularly the crucible is required, and it is take the 3 ml sample. The sample is completely decarbonized and then kept the crucible in hot water bath for 3 hours at 100 degrees Celsius. Then after to take the crucible and weight on the balance, by the formula is weight of residues and weight of initial weight, then minus to the final weight. This is the total solid is determined by the formula method. Then specific gravity of milk. The specific gravity uh, is determined by experiment method. Is required the lactometer, then lactometer jar, then milk. The specific gravity determined by also the after firstly the lactometer reading taken, and this lactometer reading put in the formula 1 upon 1000 plus CLR. This is specific gravity. Then determination of acidity of milk. The determination of acidity of milk is generally determined by the titration method with the help of NOH alkali. Then determination of adulteration in milk and milk products. So many tests is required for the adulteration of milk and milk products, that is urea test, Hansa test, then glucose test, so many tests for the adulteration of milk and milk products. Then standardization of milk by Pearson methods. The standardization is nothing but the fixing the pricing of milk on the basis of fat and SNF of milk. Means that the rising and lowering the fat and SNF percent is the fixing the pricing of milk. Then next is the study of cream separator and separation of cream. The cream separator and separation of cream, this practical to study of the body parts of cream separator and what to actually work of the cream separator. So discuss in particular the practical. Then preparation of flavored and chocolate milk. Then preparation of khawa, basundi and rabri under the category of this all these products is a heat desiccated milk product. Then preparation of paneer and channa and rasgulla. These are the products under the category of heat and acid coagulated milk products. Then preparation of dahi, chakka and srikhand. These products also under the category of fermented milk products. Then preparation of butter and preparation of ghee under the category of fat-rich milk product. Then preparation of ice cream and kulfi under the category of frozen milk products. Then preparation of peda and gulab jamun. This is also under the category of heat desiccated milk product. Then next one is the study of the cleaning and sanitization of dairy equipments. In dairy lab, at the time of manufacturing of different milk products, that time so many vessels and other glasswares are completely cleaning as well as sanitized with the different alkali during manufacturing of different milk products. Then last one, visit to milk processing plants. These are the different practicals. So thank you.